To make the trinket dish, you will need toilet paper roll and cardboard. The first thing you have to do is to cut the toilet paper roll into 5 slices. Try to have the same dimension for each slice, so it's around 2 centimeters. You press one side and you cut the toilet paper roll. And you place them to form a flower. And now just glue them together, adding glue here. Once you are happy with the flower shape, you place it on a cardboard piece. So you draw the flower shape, you report the flower shape on the cardboard. And you cut out the shape. Once the bottom of the flower is cut, you glue the flower on top, and to do so you will use masking tape. I use masking tape because after that you want to paint the trinkets, so this is easier to paint. And also it will cover the edges of the cardboard. And you keep gluing until all the edges are secure with the bottom. So you can see the shape of the trinket dish is done. I glue everything together, and what I will do now is apply a coat of acrylic paint to have a nice base to then glue the paper napkins. So this is how the flower trinket dish looks like after 2 coats of white paint. And now I want to decorate it, so I will apply a napkin. We'll only use the top layer of the napkin. And I will just cut out flower shape and glue them on the tray. This is a step that takes some time, but just put a nice podcast to listen and enjoy the process of decorating the dish trinket. Again, I will use varnish glue to apply the paper napkin on the trinket. And I will apply the flowers inside, on the edges and outside. Paper napkins are easy to fold, so it's easy to cover the edges, folding the paper around. This is how it looks like. And you can make it with different kind of napkin and different colors. And it's perfect to keep jewelry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy craft idea. Do not forget to like and follow, and let me know in the comment which one is your favorite trinket dish, the butterfly or the flower one.